I'm rocking Joy's hairband or hair tie. What is it called? In case if she sees this. You guys, happy Sunday and welcome back. From the caption, you already know what it is. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing. Like, it's not going to take a long time. Just give me a few minutes of your time and come unbox this stuff with me here. Let's discover the products and know what it's all about, and not if it is a good one actually, because for long now we've been deciding to get a vacuum cleaner because there are some edges in the house here, okay, that need let's say a higher cleaning, but then the broom we have here or the cleaner we have here doesn't even do justice to that. So if you're new here, probably you might not know, I'm Jennifer. You are welcome here. I do videos on lifestyle, I vlog. Recently I added motherhood to my channel here, and also do tutorials and reviews. So today is one of the videos we are reviewing this product. So come right quick, let's go unbox together. So the product we have in here is my choice. I don't know about this product, obviously my hubby got it, but we are going to open and unbox right from the first thing there is here is the manual, I think directions on how to set it up. So let's go first. I thought it used to have like a long, okay, this one.
Check yourself.
So let's see what is there. The few ones I've been seeing, they are not like this, so this looks like something totally new to me. I used to see the one that looks like a stick that is very long. Oh, whoa. Okay, patient. So this is how they did it. Wow. I was just thinking it's like this bowl, like the bucket alone. Not knowing it serves huge stuff inside. Okay. I think it's from the manual.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time moves on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, I think these are the legs. It comes with 4-wheel tire. Then this one, of which I don't know what the name is. This, I think this should be the handle, yeah. Then the pipe, the vacuum pipe, and this is the head of the machine, yeah, the operator machine. This, I don't know what it is. I don't know. So let's find out on how to set this up. If I have issues with it, I'll switch it to my hubby. Definitely a babe. Don't need to stress herself. A guy needs to come and do it. Okay. I think this will go first. I don't know, from what I'm seeing here. part is that you're not even watching the manual, but you're getting. So is it that you've used it before? I don't understand. So how come you're just setting it up so effortlessly without even checking manual? And me that have the manual, I don't know how to do it.
So these are the dots. Finish.
So that one you're holding it for what? The little something.
This one you can use it maybe. Where this one cannot enter.
Can you just
You use it and put this one.
just do it? Okay. High five to you. It's 100/100.